me know. We're going to go on to the certificates of recognition for the pop-up vaccination distributors. Councilman Hilton.
Thank you, Madam Mayor. I requested this and you promptly put it on the agenda, and I'm grateful and thankful. I'm pleased to welcome and recognize some very important organizations that stepped up by providing pop-up vaccine distribution sites throughout our community. Last month, I called on the City Council to recognize our pop-up vaccination distributors, and I'm glad to say that tonight we have representatives from the Carson Pharmacy, Naki Mambuhai Credit Union, and Fugent Genetics. None of us knew the impact of COVID-19 would have on our lives, and one of the most important steps we have taken to recover from this pandemic is to help provide access to vaccines in our community. The organizations represented here tonight cannot be thanked enough for helping provide this access that has helped the City of Carson achieve a current 74% vaccination rate. I'll repeat that, 74% vaccination rate. On behalf of the entire city, I want to thank and commend each of you for your support. I want to read the certificate, and then I'm going to, all the certificates simply say the same thing, but I'm going to call you all up to make words, to give words. In recognition of your partnership with the City of Carson and providing COVID-19 vaccines for our community, with sincerest gratitude for your invaluable service, signed by the entire City Council. We invite Jacqueline Mutz. Our next organization is Mambuhai Credit Union, and Fred Docadalo is going to speak for her.
Thank you, Council Member. Thank you for this opportunity to speak today. I definitely appreciate, first and foremost, Mayor Hula Davis Holmes, City Manager Sharon Landers, and Assistant City Manager David Roberts, along with the rest of the city staff, for your kind assistance in setting our event up. And of course, to all of our passionate volunteers who eagerly assisted in our pop-up vaccine clinic at the Carson Community Center on June 5th and again on June 26th. Though not nearly to the same scale that Carson Pharmacy had, our event was presented by a number of different community partners. So this was Clinica Romero in partnership with community partners, including the Filipino Young Leaders Program, the Council of Young Filipino Americans in Medicine, Tayo Help Desk, the Filipino Community Health Association, the Filipino Migrant Center, the Philippine Nurses Association of America, the National Alliance for Filipino Concerns, the Philippine Independence Day Foundation, the Office of Assembly Member Mike Gibson, and Mabuhay Credit Union, a division of Nikkei Credit Union. We did hold our pop-up vaccine clinics on June 5th and on June 26th. So it's, we see the impact that this pandemic has had on our community, in specifically the Filipino American community, which disproportionately has a lot more frontliners working in the medical field. So we're just doing our part to support the community, and we're truly grateful to the City of Carson for allowing us the platform to be able to do what we did. So thank you so much for this.